How to fix Crunchyroll subtitle delay. Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel TechPorn. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Crunchyroll subtitle delay. To learn how to do it, please make sure to stick with us till the end of the video and follow our instructions correctly. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you are facing Crunchyroll subtitle delay, then it might happen because your application is outdated. Now to update your application to its latest version, go to Play Store on your mobile device and search for Crunchyroll on the search bar and go for Crunchyroll. And in this page, if you see update button instead of open, that means that your application needs to be updated to its latest version. Just tap on update button instead of open like I'm saying, and then you will be able to download your update files on your mobile device. And after updating your application to its latest version, follow me to the next step. Even after doing this step, if you are facing your subtitle delay problem, what you can do is clear cache on your Crunchyroll application on your settings on your mobile device. To do that, go to settings on your mobile device. And right now I'm on settings section on my phone, and now scroll down to find apps and notifications and just tap on apps and notifications, and you can search for Crunchyroll on the search icon, which is around at the top right side of the screen, but I can see it on my recently opened app, so I'm going to tap here. And right now I'm on my app information section of Crunchyroll on my settings, and now tap on the option that says storage and cache. Just tap on it and tap on clear cache to clear all the temporary files on your Crunchyroll application so that it frees up space for your application to run smoothly. So after this step, if you are not able to fix your problem, what you can do is simply uninstall your Crunchyroll application on your mobile device and install it again. And sometimes doing this step fixes so many problems on your Crunchyroll application. So even after doing this step, if you are not able to fix your problem, just restart your device and make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. And after doing all the steps, I hope that you will be able to fix Crunchyroll subtitle delay. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to drop like and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep posting videos like this. See you in the next video.